How to turn off Snapchat remix option. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon over here and then scroll down to privacy control segment. Then here you can see the option of contact me, view my story and so on. But there is no direct option to turn off the Snapchat remix option. This feature is not available given by the Snapchat application itself. So all we're going to do is tap on the contact me option and make sure to just switch to friends. Then go to view my story and tap on friends only. Go to the comment settings and also tap on auto approve my friends. Then you can just customize things like this and you'll be able to turn off Snapchat remix option, not directly but in a way it's possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.